As you can see, Goa in the monsoons is full of greenery, and the rains bring about a lot of good food. The reason I'm saying this is because we are able to collect food that is locally sourced, which is either in the fields or from the forest, and make something tasty. And to learn a little bit more about that, we are going to be actually talking to some of the ladies out here who have started a self-help group, and they are part of the community at this lovely little homestay that we're going to be visiting. It's called the Jungle Trails Homestay.
Before we begin today's video, take a moment to subscribe to the Gomantak Times YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay informed on all things happening out here in Goa.
आमच्या ग्रुपाचें नाव आसा श्री ब्राह्मणी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. आमी हांगासर होमस्टे चलयता. तितून सगळीं आमी ग्रुपाचीच बायलां मेळून सगळीं काम करता.
So as you can see, they pick up vegetables from the wild and they use it to cook the lunch for the people in the homestays. भाजीचे नाव कितें?
तेरे.
तेरे.
तेरे. आमी तेरे म्हणटात.
बरें बरें.
तेका आळू म्हणटात.
आळो. हां बरें. आनी हेका तेरे. Leaves that we collected earlier along with the bhaji is what we're going to be making right now. Kaki, the ready असे इथून घालता आणि किती उगवता?
आता भितर घालपाची आणि शिटी काडपाची. काडले न्हू मागीर काडून घेऊन दुसरे कपडे घालपाचे.
बरें बरें. सगळे भाजी तुवें कातरला आणि घातला न्हू. So the whole thing, even the leaves and the stem have been taken, cut, added to the mix that we saw earlier of chana, jackfruit seeds, and of course chilies. It's going to be put into a cooker, boiled, and we're going to have something delicious cooked up. Bigna पासून घातला न्हू. कोणताचे बिगना? So, Kaki, मागच्या आमकां सांगतले हेचे कितें जाता आता?
सांगता.
बरें.
हे शीत.
बरें.
दाळ.
ओके.
खतखतें. साळकुळे भाजी. तेरे. बटाट फ्राय. सालड.
ओके.
पापड.
होय.
लोणचें. कोकम.
आणि ते कितें?
गोड.
गोड ते लास्टाक. Normally, I'm a city boy and I eat with a fork and spoon, but I want to keep that away. I'm definitely going to get my hands dirty, and that is how you're supposed to eat local traditional food out here. So you've got the rice Bhakari over here. This is what we're going to go eat, which was cooked on a local stool, as they say. It was cooked with local firewood. Can't wait to taste. I think this might be a little more spicy. One of the local bhajis that we picked up from one of the fields out here. I feel it'll be a little more spicy because of actually chilies which were in. And now that I'm saying it, there is an aftertaste of a little bit of more spice coming in. So, yeah. There's rice, dal, some salad, pickle, papad. Let's try. Oh, I'm a huge fan of potatoes in general. Can't go wrong there. And of course, papad, jaggery. And before we wrap up our meal, this is kokum, which is used as a digestive, and something sweet as well. Time to taste some of the goat share, which they've made. It's got a nice yellow color to it. Wow. So this is made from jaggery primarily, and it is so delicious. All in all, an excellent meal. And if you guys want to try it out, you should definitely come out here. In the middle of nowhere, there's no range, there's no work that can be done. Just cut off from everything else and enjoy yourselves with some good food.